Hey, it's Jeremiah. Welcome to Dallas, Texas. We're just east of Dallas at a beautiful ranch here. We have a wonderful modern home being built, about 8,000 square feet, all suspended slabs. So we're gonna have our R panels go over the slab. An amazing amount of glass, as you can see in this house. I'll show you some additional videos as well, but I can't wait to see this one come about out here today for a pre-construction meeting before they get dried in here and ready to start installing. This will be our core circumference system with our heat pump. So excited to see this go. We'll give you more details over the next few months as this comes together.